Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yage here. I am so sorry I have been gone for a while. I had an exciting project, DWD Cakes on IG. Do check it out, but I am back with a bang with some churros, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so these are the ingredients you need, but they will all be listed below in the description box as well. Okay, first thing is first, add in some water into your pan along with some sugar and a little bit of salt. Perfect. And then we need some rapeseed oil in there as well, and then we stir the little babies up. Okay, make sure it's on the medium heat. We don't want it crazy, just nice, like just exactly like this, perfection. Okay, and then just pour it into a new bowl along with a little bit of flour, well, 1 cup of flour to be exact. And then just mix it with some wooden spoon or any spatula that you have as well, and you should get a consistency just like this. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just add in 2 eggs in there. I'm lazy, so I will be using a hand whisk, but you can still use your wooden spoon or a little bit of spatula as well, but this just gets the result much quicker. Okay, and it just looks beautiful. Okay, this is not quite the consistency that I wanted, so I just added in an extra egg to my mix because I like my churros nice and curly, and this will do just that for it. Okay, what I'm doing now is thinking ahead and preparing my cinnamon sugar, so when the churros come out of the fryer and it's looking hella good, we have the cinnamon sugar ready to go. Okay, so this is my piping bag, okay, and I will be transferring the churro mix into this, ready to be fried. Well, you can see I use this fryer quite a lot. It is literally amazing. It's like a little work, but I love it. Okay, pipe it however way you want. There is no perfection here. Do whatever you want. All we need is that taste. Okay, obviously do turn it around. We don't want one bit getting burnt and the other one's not getting quite cooked, so do turn it around quite frequently. Again, just going to show you how I piped that. Okay, you can just pour it in, make it wiggle, make it wiggle a little bit, let it dance around, and don't forget to move it around so you don't get one bit golden than the other. Okay, we want it all golden all around, just like this. Cinnamon to me is like going to winter wonderland and having some nice churros when it's freezing cold. Oh, I'm so excited right now. Okay, you can see I'm just coating it in the cinnamon sugar. Oh guys, I've had about 3 at this point. It's so good. So good. And I just prepped some chocolate sauce on the side, putting a little bit of chocolate and some double cream. Just amazing. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed. My voice just went there. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video, so do stay tuned and stay sweet. Bye, and don't forget to stay safe. Bye.